What is saturation in music? Basic definition. Saturation in audio refers to the signal being pushed or overloaded beyond the clean linear range of a device, like tape, tube, or transistor circuits. Instead of producing harsh distortion, the signal gets a smooth, musical coloration.
Why it matters. Makes the sound warmer and fuller. Adds energy, richness, and presence to the mix. Creates new harmonics, overtones, that make the sound more interesting. Acts as a gentle form of compression, controlling dynamics naturally.
Types of saturation. Tape saturation happens when audio is recorded hot onto magnetic tape. Result: warm, smooth, slightly compressed sound with a glue effect. Tube saturation occurs in vacuum tube circuits. Produces even harmonics, right-pointing arrow, warm, rich, and musical tone. Transistor/console saturation comes from analog mixing consoles or transistor circuits. Slightly edgier and punchier compared to tube saturation.
Uses in mixing and mastering. Vocals. Adds clarity, presence, and helps them sit forward in the mix. Drums, kick, snare. Adds punch, weight, and impact. Bass. Generates harmonics so bass remains audible on small speakers. Mix bus/mastering. Gentle saturation glues elements together and adds cohesion.
Listening example. Imaginary no file. A clean guitar sounds cool and clear. Add a bit of saturation, right-pointing arrow warmer, fuller, and more alive. Push it more, right-pointing arrow turns into mild distortion, like in rock music.
Summary. Saturation equals pleasant audio overload that enriches the sound with harmonics, warmth, fullness, and subtle dynamic control.